And as one of the new ideas that we have is that if you are young and you want to have a chat or talk, small talk with one of the people you only know from the papers or far away when they give a lecture, that you can actually meet and have a small talk with them during a breakfast. And so we will have a Meet Your Idol breakfast session in Berlin.
People will be able to attend Congress sessions, but then also follow that up throughout education during the year, so attending master classes, some of our e-learning material and fellowships. So it won't be just education during the Lives Congress, but we'll be able to link that in with other activities occurring in the society throughout the year.
I think barriers to come to a conference are often a problem for young intensivists. It's quite expensive to go somewhere, and I See a Bed for You is a program that has been first launched last year in Paris, was already a great success. People met each other on the website, were sharing their couch or their apartment, and we will continue this in Berlin, and we hope for a lot of people that are able to attend the conference.
The top 25 scoring nurses or AHPs will get free entrance to Lives in Berlin, entrance to the workshop which is being provided around this topic, but also they'll get funding towards travel and accommodation to stay in Berlin.
The scientific writing workshop is really about encouraging people to come forward and present their work. And we help them to kind of create an environment in which they feel positive, to try to present it, to try to bring it all together, the project, and to put it into a format that essentially is successful and gets through the whole process of selecting the right abstracts for the scientific congress, because obviously we want high quality.